Good afternoon, traders. David with Alexander Trade and Investment Group. In this video, we're just going to get set up for the upcoming trading week. Next week is a big week for us news. We have CPI on Wednesday and PPI on Thursday. So a couple big important pieces of news that's going to come out. But again, since this is a new week, tomorrow we're going to set up our weekly numbers and also our daily numbers. All right, so what you see on the chart is IWM. Again, I put my weeklies on my middle chart, which is my daily, and then I put my dailies on my far right chart, which is my order flow. I have, well, let me double check to see if I have it on there. So this is, okay, so this is set up, my far left is set up as my weekly TPO. So I'm going to basically get the extreme high, the value high, POC, value low, and extreme low, and place those numbers on the middle chart. All right, so it looks like, and I'm gonna go ahead and activate sync time. It looks like, do, 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 do. It looks like Monday the 2nd actually created the extreme high, which is here. And that is in the 242 area range. See if I can get that over here to get more of an accurate number. All right. So it looks like right at the beginning of cash on Monday, no, December 2nd, we put in that extreme high of the week. So that extreme high looks to be 242.55. So 242.55. I'm gonna put here on my middle chart and I'm gonna make that red. All right. So that's extreme high. We got the value high of 241.39 for the week. So 241, I'm gonna say 241.40. All right. POC, you can see right here is roughly 239.94. Value low is here. That is going to be, I'm going to say 238.69. And it looks like Thursday, December 5th, actually created the extreme low of the week. So let's go down there and see what that was. Uh, Extreme low, 238.30 maybe. Let's see if there's anything lower than that. Yep, much lower. Okay, looking like the extreme low is 237.74. 237.74. According to this order flow on Thursday, looks like that put in the low. And just make sure nothing else is below that. Oh, this is the end of cash anyway. That's right before cash. Okay, so yep, that is it. All right, now it's time for me to go ahead and label them. This is my weekly extreme high. This is going to be the weekly value high. This is the weekly POC. Weekly value low. And lastly, weekly extreme low. Okay. All right, so we have our weekly numbers. Again, I do plot those numbers on my daily TPO. And before I do anything else, I'm going to go ahead and lock those in here. So now those numbers will not move if I accidentally press them. All right, so now let's go to setting up our dailies. Our dailies come from the session before. So the last session was, I'm sorry, precedent and is moving. I can have a sync on. But the last session was Friday, December the 6th. So we're going to do the exact same thing. Extreme high, POC, value low, and extreme low, which is here. Looks like they tried it a few times. All right, so let's try to find the extreme high. It looks like at the open right here. So extreme, we're looking at 239.89, the extreme high. All right, and I like to change those up a little bit. Value high of last session, the six, looking at 239.36. POC of last session, I'm gonna say 238.76. Value low of last session, you can see some confluence. I'm not sure if you guys are seeing that. 238.50. Value low and value low are matching from November 6th and November 5th. Also, value high and extreme high are confluences. I don't know if you guys are seeing that, but we'll see how that plays out in the morning. And then lastly, we want to see extreme lows, and that's going to be below here. So far, we're looking at extreme low of 238.38. Let's go ahead and mark that because that could be it. It's looking more and more like it. 38, anything else below that? Before cash ended. Nope. Okay, so that is the extreme. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and mark those. All right, this is my daily extreme, extreme high. This is going to be the daily value high. This is going to be daily POC. Daily value low. And daily extreme low. Okay. Go ahead and lock that up. And I'm also going to change the VWAP anchor to reflect last session, which was the 6. Apply. All right, we're all set. The last thing we need to do is go ahead and save it. So let's go down to save at the bottom and hit save layout. Some of you guys may have auto save, so you don't have to do that, but all right, we're officially saved. So we are all set for next week. We have changed our weekly number, which reflects the extreme high, value high, POC, value low, and extreme low of the entire week last week, starting from December 2nd to December 6th. And we also did the same thing for last session for our daily numbers, the extreme high, POC, value low, and extreme low. So those numbers are for last week, the extreme high, 242.55, the weekly value high, 241.40, the weekly POC, 239.94, the weekly value low, 238.69, and the weekly extreme low, 237.74 for our daily numbers from which reflects the last session, Friday the 6th, the extreme high, 239.89, value high, 239.36, POC, 238.76, value low, 238.50, and the extreme low of last session, 238.38. We saved everything, we locked it in, and now we changed our anchor. VWAP anchor, and now we are all set to tackle next week. Again, there are some big reports coming out for Thursday, Wednesday and Thursday. We have CPI on Wednesday, which is 8:30, and then PPI on Thursday, which is again is going to come out at 8:30. So that should give us some sense of direction, some catalyst to see if we're going to buy the market or sell the market, depending on how that data comes out. As always, guys, I hope you guys learn something from each video that I post. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave a comment. I will reply back either on here, YouTube, or on my other social medias, Instagram, Facebook, and I have those links in my description as well as in the bio. All right, guys, have a great trading week, a great week in general. Let's see if we can make some money this week and be consistent. Even if you take losses, like I do from time to time, every day is a new day. Don't get too down on your losses and don't get too high on your wins. Try to keep an even kill throughout the week and throughout your trading. Remember, do not look at your P&L because P&L will have you making decisions that you wish you didn't. It's tempting to look at it when you see that green and you see that number going higher and higher. It's tempting to take profits early or to take profits too soon. And it's also very tempting when you see that red number going against you to stop out of a trade. Let your trades play out, have a stop, stick to your stop, and let it play. It's very rare that you're going to get extreme highs, or I'm sorry, it's very rare that you're going to be able to catch the very tops and very bottoms of any play. I can tell you 95, maybe 98% of my trades always start off in a drawdown. It's very, very hard to catch the very tops and bottoms of things. Read your receipts, which are your order flow. Look at your analysis and go with the direction that makes the most sense. That's how I play it. All right, guys. Till next time. Have a great one. Peace.